welcome back. So today we are doing a Sephora haul. It's a small one, but I kind of want to share what I got and see if any of you guys have tried these things and let me know how good they are. Okay, so I picked up one thing in store and it is the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist from Sol de Janeiro, I think, isn't it? Oh my god, terrible with it. But it's the bum cream and all that. And I absolutely adore this fragrance. And I actually used up my other one, so I had to buy a new one. Next three things I purchased online, and they are Sephora collection products. So first off, I picked up a Sephora cleansing oil in balm, 3-flower wax, clinically proven tolerance. Interesting. So here it is here, and you open it up and it comes with like a little spatula. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that really. And the consistency, it looks very thick. I haven't used it yet because I wanted to haul it first. And it smells fresh and clean. A little sweet. Little sweet, little floral, kind of in between. But it smells nice. It's not too crazy. And I love that it has like a little spatula to scoop it out. So I'm excited to test this out to do as like my 2-step cleansing process. I really was looking for a Sephora cleansing oil, or not Sephora in general. I was looking for a balm, like a cleansing balm. So, and I've tried the Clinique one and I actually didn't really like that one very much, so had to try something. And that was in their sales section. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like $15. I did get one sample. It's the Hourglass Veil that I spent like my points on, 100 point perk. So I'm going to try this out because everyone talks about it and rates it really highly. So I'm going to give it a try. The last two products are both the Sephora Beach Vibes line. This is the Melting Shower Jelly and the Fresh Moisturizing Body Milk. So a lotion and a shower gel. This is quite cute. It does, like the shower gel, looks like a little pill. I know that's like probably not, I don't know. Probably not the best decision, but it is what it is. So to open it, you turn it like this. So turn it and then you squeeze here. And this part is like rubbery, this part's hard plastic, and you squeeze to get the product out. But it does, you can't really, woo! It smells nice, a little bit floral, I think. I was hoping it would kind of mimic the bum cream and stuff, right? I was really hoping for that scent, because it did say beach vibes, so. Yeah, this body milk with a fresh and ultralight texture instantly melts into the skin and is never sticky, leaving the skin quenched, incredibly soft, and delightfully scented. It does have like a copper tone, almost sunscreen kind of smell. I was kind of hoping for a little more coconutty, but it's still nice. I will more than likely use this up after I get through like my favorites, obviously. But I will try and test it out, and I will let you know hopefully whether it's good or not. So that's everything I got at Sephora, guys. I know it's not a lot. I'm waiting on that VIB sale coming in April, just like holding it together, being like, oh please come quick. Anyway, like I was saying, I have a long list of things that I am waiting for the VIB sale to come. I'm hoping it'll be 20% off, not 15% off, but I'm sure it's going to be 15%. So, you know, I'll pick and choose the things that I want, because I want a lot of things. So, hopefully that sale comes quick. But, yeah. Oh, There's so many things I want. Anyway, I will talk to you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!